किसे बनाना है?
Mayank? Who is Mayank? Is Mayank present? And Soumya Pratap. Juniors, next event, 800 meter junior boys. Aditya Negi of Yamuna House stood first. Ibrahim of Ganga House stood second. And Aditya Singh Rawat of Green House stood third. All the three students come near the victory stand. Run fast as you run 800 meter. Hurry up. Subhash sir.
The winners of 800 meter junior boys are Aditya Negi from Yamuna House, Ibrahim from Ganga House, and Aditya Singh Rawat from Green House. Next is the result for 400 meters race junior girls. First is Tejasvi from Kaveri House. Second is Sehzdeep from Yamuna House, and third is Alicia from Ganga House. For 400 meters race junior boys, Aditya from Yamuna House stood first, Ibrahim from Ganga House stood second, Subdeep from Kaveri House, and Abdul from Ganga House stood third. Please come on the stage.
Okay, I think we are done with the juniors. For the marathon, I request Bala ma'am and principal ma'am to come near the victory stand to do the honors. Yes. Ruma ma'am, can you come for a minute to honor these girls? Principal ma'am and Bala ma'am.
Position holders in marathon in junior boys are first Aditya Negi from Yamuna House, Abhinav Rawat from Krishna House, and Kanav Gaur from Yamuna House. Please come on the stage. Those from junior girls are Kripa Agrawal from Ganga House, Nikita Rawat from Yamuna House, and Sehzdeep Kaur from Ganga House.
Thank you. Please go fast. Congratulations, please go fast.
Okay, once again we will call the students.
One second, please.
Teachers and students of class 6, please go to your classes just now.